Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. As always, I hope you're having a positive day, a positive week, and everything is all well with everyone that's watching this video. You guys remember that Bud Light commercial? Well, I'm gonna say hello. Yes, the bad jokes continue with this channel. So someone laughed at that. Someone smiled and laughed at that. So hello and welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. This video might be short. Probably will not be my shortest video ever on this channel. But if you are truly non-tech savvy, and of course that Tech Support Spy is to help those who are non-tech savvy, you will like this video. You will enjoy this video. This will be new information for those who are non-tech savvy. And you will learn something today in this video. And you have to watch this video, as always, all the way through to get what the content that we're trying to give you and show you here on Tech Support Spy. We're giving you good content, good computer content, man. Good computer content. Yes. Anyways, this video is going to show you how to uninstall programs and apps in Windows 11. So if you don't know how to uninstall a program or an app from Windows 11, watch this video. You will enjoy it. I will show you how to install or uninstall a program or an app in Windows 11. You can do the same thing in Windows 10, but I'll do another video for Windows 10. But this video is for Windows 11 to uninstall a program or an app from Windows 11. For those of you that already know how to uninstall a program or an app from Windows 11, then, you can go grab a sandwich or go, read a book or something. But we would like for you to watch the video so that we get credit for a view, like and subscribe as well, and go ahead and hang around and watch what kind of computer content I have for you guys of showing you how to uninstall a program from Windows 11. Don't have a joke. Trying to think of a stupid, bad joke to tell, and I have nothing. Nothing comes to mind. I could do a Fozzie joke, waka waka waka, but I don't feel like it. I can't think of nothing. So let's dive into the video, shall we? All right, guys, let's get into this. So this is one of my virtual machines for Windows 11, and I've installed Zoom, and we're going to uninstall Zoom. And you want to repeat the same process to uninstall a program or an app. And software, you want to look at software being as another term for app, meaning short for application or program. Anytime you hear software, program, app, application, that's all referring to the software or programs or apps that are installed on your Windows computer. So what you're going to do is always look for the start menu. The start menu will always be that 4 squared window, the window pane from Microsoft. So you're going to right click on this, and you want to right click. So you don't want to left click, you want to right click onto the start menu for Microsoft and Windows 11 and go to apps and features. Go on apps and features. Now, apps and features, short being for software and features, programs and features. It's going to show you all your apps, all your programs and software that you have installed on your computer. And it's going to be in alphabetical order. If you see here, it's in alphabetical order. I'm going to go to the right. You kind of same as Windows 10. If you hover your mouse cursor, don't click anywhere, just hover your mouse cursor on the far right side, you'll see the drag up and down bar. And you can drag up and down to look at the different apps you have. So we are looking to uninstall Zoom. So as we go down to the Z's, Z for zebra, or Z for exciting. Yeah, that was, never mind. That was boo. Bad jokes. I get it. But we're looking at Zoom as the programmer app or software that we want to uninstall from Windows 11. So as you look here, you have three dots. If you click on that, you got modify and install. For this program here, it doesn't have the modify being available. It's grayed out. Now, some programs or apps or software that you have installed, even on Windows 10, we're talking about Windows 11 here, sometimes the uninstall is grayed out and you have to hit modify. When you hit modify, you have to choose remove to uninstall the program. But in this scenario for Zoom, we're going to do uninstall. So we're going to hit uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Yes, you want to hit uninstall again here. Zoom is going to initialize the uninstaller. Let's wait for it to go through. Voila, presto, it's gone. That was funny. I laughed at that myself. Anyway, Zoom is gone now. No more Zoom in the listings of all my apps and features. Let's go back to our desktop. I had Zoom here when we first started launching the virtual machine and went into Windows 11. Zoom is gone. It is presto. I'm using all the magician words, and I don't know a magic trick if my life depended on it. So real quickly, just to go back over how to do this. The start menu, always going to be the 4 squared window for Microsoft, the window pane. You want to right click, go to apps and features, click on that. Your apps and features will open up. It has a listing of all your apps. If you need to, you can scroll or move your mouse cursor to the far right. You can get the scroll up and down bar. It will open up, and you can scroll down to look at the different apps. And you have to know, based on what program you need to uninstall, and just click on the 3 dots next to the program you need to uninstall. Now, advanced options, I'm not going to get into that in this video. We are just showing you how to uninstall a program, app, or software from your Windows 11 computer. So, for you non-tech savvy users, I hope this helped you. I hope this gave you some insight on how to uninstall a program or software or apps from your Windows 11 computer. As always, as I say, if you are non-tech savvy, you're not watching or using TekSupportSpy. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell everyone about TekSupportSpy. And thank you for watching today's video. Take care.